Okay, and this one, the head is coming off. I could pull the power valve off. Not going to drop the oil yet, that can be done later because it's in the gearbox. Don't have to worry about a two-stroke. Drop the power valve off, pull the top off, and yes, so we'll get straight into that. We'll get onto the frame later on, finish it up. Right now I just want to focus on the engine and get it done so it can be ready when I finish the frame to go in. So let's get on to that because this is the heart of the project right here. So anyway, because this is gonna have to get sent off, so we've got to get it off. Okay, we're in, and it's not as bad as you'd think, except for there. So I assume the previous owner has honed it and rubbed through the nickel coating, and it has started grabbing the piston. So it's pretty lucky that I got onto it, because it's not bad yet. But anyway, I'll talk to a guy who reconditions heads anyway, make sure it's correct. But yeah, I'll send this head away to get replated. So yes, that is it. Alright, finish cracking this off and call it a day. Okay, off. Duns keys. Damaged. Very bad. Rings. Just about to fail. Started failing. So, blow by. And it should not be like that anyway. Not good. So that cylinder needs to be sent away. Bearing. Not too bad, but that's obviously toasted. Rod. Yes, that is the top end off. So it's over here. I'm going to degrease it and clean it down tomorrow and that. And go into KTM Moto and ask them what's the go with sending it away and get it sent away. I don't need to take head studs out. I think I just need to take power valve out. So it's easy enough. The crank looks to be in okay condition. So I'll do some more inspecting on that, but it looks to be in pretty good condition. So that's good. If it is. Oh, I need to stop smacking that. But anyway. And what is cracker looking, guys? It is night time. It's been a big day. Had to go out and give my brother a quick hand with some sparky work on my day off. So, but I'm back into it now. And I've already gave it a little bit of a clean out, and that ready to go to the machinist to get re-chromed. So that is terrible. Look at that, it's rubbed through the bore. old owner, obviously. Put a few too many pistons through it. So I'm just cleaning up now, getting all the grime off it, ready to send away. So that's getting cleaned, the head. The bottom end's just here. I haven't really done anything to it yet. I've got to give it a flush out, the crank and that, and tidy up them studs. All the fun stuff. But I'll do that eventually. And then I need to get onto the frame. But here's the piston. I also need to crack that back out because I forgot to wipe it down and wash it, which I will do because I want to make the machinist happy. Need to wipe them out and wash them out. I think I'm going to have to, oh no, they don't go with the head, they stay. Nothing goes with the head, just the head itself has to go. But yes, fucking pretty much everything though, what I gotta do, so let's get into it. With the head. It's better. Okay. But yes, that is what I'm going to be running, LED headlight and a new mudguard. Just to make the look modern and nice. Now let's get this cover. There we go, cover is off. So I got an LED headlight going on and this mudguard, they're both off I think they're both off 2024s. Can't remember. Oh yeah, they fit. Fit pretty good. Anyway, so frame needs to get resprayed, so I got to take it out and do that. So the headset's got to come off as well. So I don't know if I'm going to do that today and start working on the frame, or I should. Probably should, because I've got time, so if I don't start it now, I won't end up fucking getting it done before the head comes back. So I might as well do it, get it over and done with. Just dread frames. Sometimes you dread frames, guys. Anyway, quicker we get into it, quicker it gets done. King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Yeah, I just went through and cleaned up all the head bolts. And they're all nice and shiny now, but I need to get cleaning products and I need to give the crank a flush. So I gotta do all those things. I've got to pull the headset off and get onto the frame. I need to clean things like this. Yucky. Get the sealant tape off it. Clean that. Clean that. Power valve covers. Clean that. Clean that shit in there as well. I'll clean the exhaust and all that and give everything a shine off. It's pretty good FMF gnarly too. FMF gnarly. Gold Series FMF. Gnarly. Gold Series FMF gnarly. There's the speedometer. Give a lot of clean and everything because that's all going back on. Shock and everything. Everything's in there, so yes. Get onto it so we can get it out. Straight away that head comes back, slap it all back together and go for a ride.